Good morning, student. Today our topic is keeping time. Thousands of years ago, people did not feel the need to worry about time. They woke up when the sun rose and went to bed when it set. But today, keeping to time is so important that clocks seem to rule our lives. So, time is very important in our lives. Today, we will learn how clocks were invented. The Egyptians built the sundial around 3500 BCE, which was a more accurate shadow clock. In a sundial, the shadow moves as the sun moves across the sky, like the hands of a clock. Means in sundial, the shadow tell us about the time. Around 1550 BCE, the Egyptians used barter clocks. In a barter clock, a certain amount of water drips into a container. This gives an idea of the time passed. The ancient Greek and Roman astronomers tried to make more complicated and fancier clocks. Some barter clocks had door and windows which open the reveal little figures, while others range bell and gongs. As you can see in the picture, the butter is going from the cone by drop by drop. It is the image of drawing of Susang Clock Tower. It is one of the most elaborate clock towers developed by astronomer Susang in China in 1088 CE. An hourglass was used to measure short time interval. It comprised of two glass bulbs placed one on top of another connected through a narrow tube. It measured the time taken by butter, sand or mercury to run from the upper compartment into the lower compartment. इसमें दो गिलास होते हैं और उसमें मरकरी सैंड या वाटर भरा होता है जिसमें एक कंपार्टमेंट से दूसरे कंपार्टमेंट में हो जाता है. In mid 1300s, the mechanical clock was developed. However, it was extremely inaccurate by as much as 2 hours a day. Means ये सही time नहीं बता रही थी. In 1510, the spring powdered clock was invented by Peter Henlen. It could easily be fitted on a mantle or shelf, which made it popular among the rich. The major scientific breakthrough that led to development of accurate clock occurred in 1583 when Galileo demonstrated that successive beat of a pendulum always take place in the same length of time irrespective of the distance through which the pendulum swings. 70 years later, Dutch astronomer Christian Huygens designed the first pendulum clock. मीन्स पेंडुलम क्लॉक में जो पेंडुलम एक साइड से दूसरे साइड जाता था वो बराबर ही टाइम लेता था. The quartz clock was invented in 1920s. Inside a quartz clock, there is a tiny crystal of quartz which controls the speed of the clock and makes it run accurately. ओके स्टूडेंट, हमारे घरों में जो घड़ी होती है उसमें एक छोटा पार्ट क्रिस्टल का होता है. वो घड़ी की टाइम को या उसकी स्पीड को कंट्रोल करता है. इसकी वजह से हमारी क्लॉक एक्यूरेटली रन कर पाती है. This is the image of digital clock. In some electrical clock have digital display where the hours, minutes and seconds are shown as number. The Sunclear company produced the first digital clock. Students, who produced the first digital clock? Answer is the Sunclear company. The most accurate clock in the world, the atomic clocks, were first built in the mid 1900s. The NIST F1, a cesium atomic clock at the National Institute of Standard and Technology in Boulder, Colorado, USA, is said to be one of the most accurate clock in the world. It is expected to keep time till 30 billionths of a second per year. This clock is sometimes called the fountain clock because it uses a fountain-like movement of atoms to work. Which clock is the most accurate clock in the world? Answer is atomic clock. What is the other name of atomic clock? It is fountain clock. It is time to do quick quiz. Let's start. At Jantar Mantar of which city in India would you find the largest stone sundial in the world? Answer is Jaipur. You can see the stone sundial in the world. Where? Jaipur. Where will you find a large clock with a bell called Big Ben? Answer is London. The local time at Royal Observatory is taken to be the internationally accepted universal time, where in England it is located. It is located in Greenwich. How many time zones are there in Russia? There are 11 zones in Russia. Let's take a recap. What did you understand now? The Egyptians built the sundial around 3500 BCE. Next, the hourglass was used to measure short time intervals. In 1510, the spring powder clock was invented by Peter Henley. Around 1550 BCE, Egyptians used Pater clock. The quartz clock was invented in 1920. The Sinclair Company produced the first digital clock. Dutch astronomer Christian Huygens designed the first pendulum clock, the most accurate clock in the world. The atomic clocks were built in the mid 1900s. Julius Caesar created the first calendar. Who created the first calendar? Answer is Julius Caesar. So student, you have to learn this topic today. Thank you.